Ladies and gentlemen, we have the Skull and Bones Contracting, because we're going to start removing trees in less than 1 minute. But I call it the Skull and Bones Contracting because on the $1 bill is the picture of the bat. And this is the face of the hog-nosed bat, and the wings are spread over the seed pods, what I call the God pod and the evil seed of death. And I kind of tell you, I have a $10,000 bet that says that is an exact replica of the hog-nosed bat. One wing goes over the pyramid and one wing goes over the eagle. But even more interesting, that stands for the power symbol of the Skull and Bones Society of the Bank of England. And on the opposite side stands for the American War Machine and the Bohemian Grove Owl, with its wings spread over the inverted pyramid and the inverted eagle, which represents the power of the American War Machine. But what controls everything on this planet is the entire back of the $1 bill, represented as an exact replica of the Ark of the Covenant. This is an exact replica of the Ark of the Covenant. And I have 10,000 of these American dollars that says no one on earth can prove me wrong. And if you do, this is what you're going to get. I'm going to give you the Dick of Doom, because I'm going to take your $10,000 and I'm going to go on a vacation with it. And if you win, you kind of take my $10,000. And you kind of see that I'm going to win because I have a Mr. Obama on my side. And with the Mr. Obama riding on the Dick of Doom, I have the beautiful life, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, Mr. Obama, he's my freaking hero. That's right. And this is Michael Fazio. Today's March 20th, and now we're going to start to take the trees out of this freaking lot here, out of the back half of the lot. That's right. And here we go. I'm going to take off of my headgear, and then I'm going to put on my headgear. I'm going to turn on the machine, and I'm going to start grubbing. That's right. This is a container. She's full. The truck maybe's on its way, maybe not. I call up before. And here we go. That's right. Michael Fazio starts to take out of the trees in the back half of the lot. This is the downhill side of the job, ladies and gentlemen. And the first thing we got to take out is this tree stump right by the bucket. That one is into the ground. The other one is loose. Here we go. I'll push this out of the way a little bit. And now we got to go for the roots on this one here. We have to push that stand up trees down. I'm sorry, bugs and the birds. This is a lot of clearing the job. I don't like this part of the job. I kill a lot of stuff today, ladies and gentlemen. I've been killing shit since for a long time with this machine and other machines. Sometimes I feel sorry for those bugs, I gotta tell you. Those bugs don't have a chance. That's right. And here we go. Here's the taking the roots. There's a big root. I didn't even see that one. That's a nice one. That one it picks up with the machine. We have to break them off. We have to break the roots off a little bit better. piece of coral down there, I'll tell you that. You kind of see I put a new tooth on there. She looks so good. Grubbing, G-R-U-B-B-I-N-G. Because you're working beneath the soil like a grub. That's right. Now I'm going to move this machine up about 15 feet so I kind of get a better angle. But I think I got it now anyway. I do. The idea is to cut all the roots around on 3 sides, and the 4th side breaks like a hinge. You put the trunk inside of the bucket, push it down, and you just flip them right in, curl them into the bucket. I have the wrong angle on that. That's the general idea. And she stays in a bucket knife like that. I'm going to move forward. I have to start a new pile. Now I gotta go pull that material up forward a little bit because we have to figure out, I need more material to stage some material from. Sophia! Saint Sophia! I need more material. Okay, now this is a quick video here we made. On-time backhoe and one-time backhoe and a Michael Fazio on March 20th, I believe, or maybe the 21st, 2013. That's right, Skull and Bones Contracting. And we're located in Pirates Cove in Key Largo. That's why we put the skull and the bones on the side of the machine, and that's why I started the video off with the skull and bones on the $1 bill. Because those are three organizations running the world. The Skull and Bones Society runs the Bank of England. The Owl from the Bohemian Grove runs the war machine and the American political system, which controls the war machine. And on the whole back of the dollar bill is the Ark of the Covenant, which controls the Vatican, which controls the world. And a God day to everybody.